Hello traders, this is Ala Peters, founder of Alpha Wave Trader Method, with 2014 summary and with what my projections are for 2015. Must tell you, we're going to have an extremely exciting year. Again, always more than likely. Why oh why? Because S&P monthly close to reversal zone. As projected by Alpha Wave Trader Method, 2100 was very crucial and very powerful area. Long on monthly chart from roughly 800 area is very close to reversal zone. We've been seeing very powerful bearish corrections on S&P, and that's exactly what I expect to see in 2015. Two things will happen, either bearish correction or bearish trend inception, and that remains the key. Do you know what separates bearish correction that we witnessed the first few weeks in December from bearish reversal? Do you know what separates bearish correction that we witnessed in October when S&P gave you very last long opportunity from 1845 area? That remains the key. The same formula I use on 1 minute chart applies to monthly, daily and weekly. And what determined the end of this bearish correction was where bullish rally stepped in on S&P on daily chart. Very powerful bullish rally, and that's where it's heading next to. All the way 2126, and that's where we're monitoring for very powerful response of the price with bearish pressure to the downside. Very crucial what's happening on oil. Again, the opportunities we're seeing on monthly chart, the opportunities we're only seeing every 5 to 8 years. Based on Alpha Wave Trader Method, you had opportunity to short oil from 106. Next, oil is heading to 47. If 47 is broken, oil is heading to 39.70. This will be the end of the bearish trend. Pay attention. Bearish trend ending to the downside on oil. Bullish trend ending to the upside on S&P. Are you prepared for volatility and excitement of 2015? Again, we're going to have the most powerful formations we're witnessing only every 5 to 8 years, and that remains the key. The collapse on oil, the response at this area will be absolutely crucial. Will buyers step in with vengeance at 47? I expect only bullish correction. This is where I will be monitoring for reversal. Very powerful key area 40. Reversal 3. That will remain the key. The collapse on oil had been absolutely expected. If you knew Alpha Wave Trader Method, you had opportunity to short from here. Also, a reminder what we accomplished so far this year and a couple of my very favorite charts. But first, let's also take a look on gold. As we know that S&P and gold move completely in opposite sequence. So this is where gold had been dancing for the last 2 months. Once again, every single monthly chart not far off from reversal zone. Will it give us something more than the bullish correction? That remains to be seen. Again, the fact that S&P at reversal zone to the upside and gold at reversal zone to the downside not to be ignored. Will it be more than bullish correction? Will gold stage powerful bullish reversals? That's what we're monitoring for very cautiously. And here's a reminder of what we accomplished so far on other long-term charts. This is one of my favorite charts of all times, Euro weekly. Euro spelled out very clearly the importance of Alpha Wave Trader Method and the importance of crucial Fibonacci reversal zone. Just to remind you, that's where Euro collapsed from, correct? Do you know where Euro is currently? Euro is currently at 21.75. And this is where I'm projecting Euro is heading next to. 1055. Are you ready? Have you been shorting euro? If you have, you've been shorting euro from 3800 level. Also, if you know Alpha Wave Trader method, you would know where to short Amazon from. Again, the power of Fibonacci levels never ever 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 to be underestimated and to be respected dearly. And this is what I teach in the course daily. And this is what I demonstrate in the room daily. And just to recap, this is what we've done on S&P so far this year. On average, we accomplished 85% success rate. And again, do remember, if it's a counter trend trade, I will show you and I will tell you and I will take that counter trend trade. Once you learn the course, you would not touch counter trend trade. You would only remain a trend trader. Therefore, your results will be even better as long as you play by the rules. Remember that this month I was teaching Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp and I closed the trading room on December 10th. So far in the month of December, out of 13 trades on S&P, in barely 7 trading days, we accomplished 13 trades with 11 positive on S&P. You can review the entire year on S&P and the last 3 years on the website. And here what we accomplished so far on oil this month until December 10th when we closed for the bootcamp. 29 trades, 25 positive. That's all there is. Pure price for entry and Fibonacci for exits. If you know the rules for 1 minute chart, you can determine what euro shows you on weekly, what Amazon shows you on weekly, what S&P is telling you on monthly, and what gold is telling you. Buckle up. It's gonna be very, very exciting year as reversal levels never, ever, ever to be ignored. These levels are reached only every 5 to 8 years, and that remains the key. So, just to show you before I close out for this year, if you know where the end of the minor trend, you would know exactly why oil had been struggling immensely. And if you know how magical the puzzle is, and as you had seen on daily chart, this is where oil is heading to. Next, 46. But only if this level is broken. 46 on oil daily, as spelled out by the price very, very long time ago. And that's where oil heading to next. So look forward to seeing you in the trading room where I will be demonstrating the method as of January 5th on S&P and oil very small time frames using exact same rules I'm using on oil daily, gold monthly, oil monthly. What a magnificent collapse, leaving me speechless. S&P monthly. Do not ignore what happens next on S&P. Will this be a year that will be full of bearish corrections we witnessed in December and October, or will market stage very powerful bearish reversal? This remains the key. Are you a knowledgeable trader? Do you know what separates correction that we witnessed in December and October from reversal? If you do, you know it's not a good time to remain an investor. You do know the difference. If it's only a correction, it's a marvelous time to stay out in the market, as the month of December shown us. Remain put. If you had been long on S&P, not time to get out yet. Just like price spelled out to us since 2009. Buckle up. This bullish rally had just begun. So here we are 5 years later. Buckle up for exciting year, as power of price in Fibonacci will continue showing to us time and time again. Life is only a stage. Can you play by the rules? If you can trade any instrument and any time frame as long as you know Alpha Wave Trader Rules. Have a marvelous, very, very happy new year. Look forward to seeing you January 5th in Alpha Wave Trader Trading Room.